I'm here in the garden trying to harvest my potatoes before the scorching Oklahoma heat bakes them in the ground. Okay, there's nothing left but to actually get to it. I have my spade fork, I have my potatoes, and I have my laundry basket, my wicker laundry basket that I use for harvesting potatoes that I found free on the side of the road last year, because everybody knows if it's free, it's me. Okay, let's get this party started. All right, everybody. So there's only one way to go about this. And this is just to get dirty. I'm going to start with this row. See what we got here. Okay. So already, the first one at the top is probably a 4.5 inch potato. That's a great start. There's the mother. We're going to push that over there. Okay. Oh my goodness, people. That's a really good start. That's even bigger. All right. So here we go. Oh, my, guys. All right. I got to show you this. These are my first 3 potatoes in order from that one plant. 1, 2, and 3. They got an ant on me. They got bigger every time. Look at the size of this. That's like 5.5 inches, 6 inches. Oh my goodness, people. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm happy about that. That's well over a pound right there. Now I like to come in, like I said, with my hands. And that's why, because you never know where you're going to pull them up. Plus, there's something therapeutic, for me anyways, as I harvest potatoes. I think it's because this is what we did as kids. Oh my goodness, guys, this hill just netted me. All of these. And they're still going. Look at the size of these. This brings me back with my dad. You know, we harvested all of our potatoes by hand. We didn't have all of the equipment the farmers had. All we had was our backs and a couple of spade forks. And determination. And that's what it took. That's what it took. And I'm just going to pull these up by hand now because they're digging really easy. These russets are amazing. Look at the size of these. I was not expecting this, everybody. I really wasn't. This was this is the first year I planted this portion. So this was a lot of clay-like soil, a lot of red dirt. And I got to tell you, I'm pretty happy. And now what's going to happen is, once I pull these up, I'm going to get my red tiller in here, just this side, because I'm not harvesting that side today. And I'll tear this all up with the tiller, and then I'll prep this area for my pumpkins. So let's quit yapping, Jason, and let's move on. I mean, I can't even describe. Ow, I got a sticker. There we go. Can't even describe how I'm feeling right now. Now that one there was kind of a bust. Well, I got 3, 4. Probably there's a good chance there's about 10 ounces on there. I'll take it. Like I say all the time to everybody else, any harvest is a good harvest. I'm already at 30 pounds for the year, I think. All right. Okay. I got 1. I got 2. I got 3. I got 4. I got 5. I got 6. I got 7. I got 8. From one plant. From that one plant, I got 8 potatoes, everybody. Soil is doing okay. Well, let's finish this row. Pitter patter, let's get at her. There's the mom. Look at these guys. This, when I lived in upstate New York as a kid, one of the most bittersweet times was harvesting our potatoes and our green beans. You got one chance at growing up north. You had one grow season. You planted late May, early June. You started harvesting August, September. And I still remember coming home from school and harvesting and killing potato bugs and harvesting potatoes. And then you knew at that point, school had started, which was never fun because you wanted to be playing in the woods. And you knew winter was on its way. You knew that this was it. You were picking the one harvest, and that was it. In Oklahoma, in the zone I'm in, I can get 2 or 3 grows a year, depending on what vegetable I plant. So it's not as bittersweet as it used to be, because I know even though we're coming into winter, I know that winters in Oklahoma are not the same as winters in New York or upstate New York anywhere. But you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes out of here. So far, 8 in that hill. 9, 10. Okay, that's the record so far. 10 off of one plant. Pretty good. Well, let's go get a weight on these potatoes.